Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome, welcome. I have a mystery box to share with you today. This mystery box was sent to me from my friend Al in Illinois. And in turn, I sent Al a 5-pound box of clothing that both of us are hoping that one another can sell these items online. And we decided to swap a box of inventory. I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce you to my friend Al. Al has a brand new YouTube channel called A-L, really easy to find, you would think, except YouTube makes it really hard to find brand new creators. So I wanted to introduce you, my friends, to my friend Al. If you enjoy haul videos, reselling haul videos, you are going to love Al's channel because Al is a great thrifter. He is a skilled reseller and he has an eye for the luxury, the high end, and the quirky and unique items. I am going to leave a link in the description to Al's channel, to the video that Al is making, and also to Al's Poshmark closet. It's beautiful. If you like high-end and luxury items and you want to get them at a great deal, I highly recommend that you check out his channel. So all we said is 5 pounds, guys. I have no idea what is in this. It is still sealed, so let me open this up and let's see what Al sent. Okay, here is the moment we have all been waiting for. Already, I love it because I do see shoes and it looks like FitFlops. It is FitFlops. I love selling this brand, but I really like wearing this brand. So, you know, I want to check real quick and see if these are my size. Here it is, and it's really small. I can't tell. These look like they might be a little big. Anyway, FitFlops. All I think about is myself. I am consumed with selfishness, and forgive me for that, but when I see a pair of FitFlops like these, you guys know I want to try them on. This is a canvas top. It looks like suede, and these FitFlops sell really well for me in the warmer months. So, but this looks like a pair that I would love to wear. Yeah, this is a brand that sells very well for me, and there is a size included. The insoles look great. I just don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell what the size is, but I'm going to let you know on the screen if I am going to keep these for myself. Oh my gosh! Oh! Al! I love these! I love these, and they are too big for me. I can tell by looking at them. You guys, this is one of my favorite brands to sell, and look how beautiful this loafer is. Can you see right there who these are? These are Paul Green. Oh my goodness. And these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is what the soles look like. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, they look like they might have a little bit of a red tint to them, almost like an ox blood. Oh, I really like this. This is one of my favorite brands to resell. This is one of my favorite brands to wear as well. This is a high quality handcrafted shoe that I love to sell. So thank you so much. Do I see a size? Let me look real quick and I'll tell you the size if I see it. I don't see it right off the bat, but I'm guessing these are about a US 9.5. Okay, box is on the floor, and this is W118 by Walter Baker. This is a dress, and let me share the tag with you. This is a size medium, Walter Baker. This is a diffusion of Walter Baker. I have one piece by this line listed for sale. I haven't had much luck with it, but this is an animal print dress, and it does have these solid panels on the side. These are very flattering when they have the panels on the side, a short sleeve. I think this looks kind of like a career dress. I would say that this is going to be knee length, and it looks to be, there's a little fuzz right there, but it looks to be in very good condition. All right, next up is something in black. It feels like silk. You a dress. He knows I love to sell dresses and shoes. Oh, this is a collaboration, guys, that I have never seen. I've never seen it. I've never sold it. This is Universal Standard, which is a really, really great brand to sell with J. Crew. It's a size large, and I think it's a shift dress. Yes, this is a shift dress. This is black. I think the camera, oh, this is not a dress. This is a jumpsuit. This is super cute, and it does have some pockets, kind of low on the hip pockets. I wonder, let me check and see if we have an interior tag like J. Crew has. We do have an interior tag. Yeah, the tag is here, but there's no style number. So this is more like a universal standard sizing rather than the J. Crew, but I hope I can find a stock photo for this piece, because I do think that jumpsuits can be pretty difficult to photograph, but this feels amazing. The fabric tag says this is Cupro, viscose, and spandex. Yeah, that is a little stretchy. I'm excited about this piece. Okay, guys, this is the final piece. This is also the Walter Baker, the W118 by Walter Baker, and this one is a size small. This has some purple in it, and it is a python or a snake print. Again, I think this would be a really cute dress to wear to the office. I would call this business casual. And I have never tried selling dresses from this line, so I am curious to see how they will do, but yeah, this is in great condition as well. I'm sad to report that the fit flops are just a little bit too big for me, as well as the ball greens, because I tried both of them on. I love them both. I love the dresses, but guys, shoes are my first love. So thank you very much, Al, for sending me such a fun box. Guys, make sure that you head over to Al's channel, see what I send him, show him some love, subscribe, and tell him that you're a friend of mine. That would be awesome. If you enjoyed today's box swap video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon, guys. I have a brand new video coming out very shortly. Until the next one, blessings to all of you.